good. Who am I gonna jump in with next game? You gonna go let me sub next game?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, cool.
We'll figure it out.
Cool.
Whoever gets out first.
I'm probably gonna run out of paint. I only have 2 pods, so.
You got plenty of paint. Hey, where are you guys gonna go? Talk to each other. Talk, talk, talk. Talk. Louder. What do you see? Keep on that tape. Keep on that tape. Get as close as you can. Boom. There you go. There you go. Talk, look before you commit. If you have, you shot your own teammate. Good job. You're out. You're still out. You're still out. You're out. Even if your teammate shoots you, you're out. That's the rule, bro.
Okay.
Hey, when I say go, when I say run through, run through. Okay?
Okay. Make sure you let me know where they're at. That's how you see. Okay.
Okay.
I've always wanted to do this too. Turn out.
The same thing I did with you.
Hey, where's what's her face at?
He's switching. No, just keep touching the string.
Look left! Look left! Look left! Look left! Watch my left! G1! G1! Devil 1! One down! One down! What do we got? What do we got? Did you get lane? Did you play?
I was laning.
Where'd you get hit?
I turned that way.
All right. Aggressive. Shoot. Command the section of the field that you see. Straight. Where are you guys going?
I'll go Dorito here. You go right here.
Where are you going?
I'm just gonna go in the corner right there.
Okay. I'm gonna get that Dorito out. Hey!